Welcome to MosesLearnLab, data lovers. My name is Moses, and today we are tackling the Excel name boss. The Excel name boss, a handy tool to navigate your spreadsheet like a pro, perfect for organizing datasets. So let's talk about this small man here called name boss. Let's talk about it. You will see this name boss at the top left corner of your spreadsheet, at the top left corner of your spreadsheet, just above the column A. Above the column A, that small box there is what is called the name box. Some people might call it the address box. That's also okay. And what this name box does is that it tells you the current location in your Excel. The current location in the sense that it tells you what you are working on, the actual column and the row. It will just tell you, for example, I'm in A1. So if you now go to this name box, it's showing what A1. So it's telling me that the present place I am is what A1. So what does this name box does? This name box is just like a GPS of your Excel. It's the GPS in your Excel. You cannot do without it. So when you click a cell like this A1, the name box will show you exactly where you are. For example, if I click B5 and you go to the name box, it is showing you what B5. So it's telling you I'm in column B, row what 5. But this name box is not just for display only. It can also be used to it can also serve as a shortcut too. This name box can also serve as what shortcut too. What do I mean by shortcut too? For example, let's assume that I want to go to column DE, row what 20. Now instead of scrolling to that column DE20, if I come to this name box, as I have typed this DE20 and I click my what enter, it will take me to column what DE row 20. So it's the shortcut of continuous scrolling till I get to DE20. So name box just does the magic for you and take you there at a stretch. You understand? Now if you're in this DE20, you'll be wondering, okay, what if I want to go back to the A1, the initial or the first column where I was working on? That means I need to scroll to that place. No, you don't need to scroll to that place. You can also use a function key to do that by clicking what your control key plus your what home key. You see it? I'm back to what A1. So this name box does a lot of magic. It does a lot of magic. So why does it matter to know this name box? It makes things easy for you. You can get to any column quickly. It saves time. Instead of continuous scrolling, before you know it, you get to that place you want to. So that's the essence of knowing this young man here, because if you don't know it, you will know how to use it. So if you find this video helpful, don't be stingy. Like, comment, share to your friends, and most importantly subscribe so that you won't miss any of the video that will be dropping soon. The question of the day, what is the current location of the worksheet you are working on in your own worksheet? Just type it at the comment section, drop it. God bless you. Thank you for watching.